Hi friends, I am Doodle. And I am Noodle. We are best friends. Today we will learn numbers.
Let's count from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 How many ice creams are inside the box? How many hats are inside the box? How many pineapples are inside the box? How many avocados are inside the box?